Namaste children, welcome to today's maths class. I hope you are fine. And in the last class we discussed about deep drawing of a cube, simple way to draw a cube. How we can draw a simple manner a cube, that is by drawing two squares and by joining the corners of that squares we will get a cube. And similarly we have studied how to draw in the simple manner, a simple way to draw a box. Here a box is nothing but a cuboid. So to draw a box we have chosen and we have taken the rectangles, then we have joined the corners of those two rectangles, we will get the box. And also we have seen what it is, that is identifying the dice, the faces of the dice by knowing the number of dots on the faces of the dice, that is a cube. Now today we are going to discuss about, we are going to play an activity, that is we are going to play a game, that is an activity, matchbox play. Matchbox play. What you require for this, you collect some 20 matchboxes, empty matchboxes, and you make different patterns which shows some three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures like a bridge. So now here, so there are three children are there, Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya. Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya. They made this bridge using the matchboxes. You see here in our textbook, we have this bridge is there made by the people with matchsticks. Who are the children who are there? And here it is Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya. They made this bridge using the matchsticks. With the pillars, we have 4 pillars, and this is the top surface is there. So now there is a conversation between between them, the 3 children, about the bridge and their drawings. They have drawn the drawings. The 2 children, Naveen and Pratigya, they made drawings of that bridge. So this is the drawing done by Naveen, and this is the drawing done by Pratigya. Pratigya draw this drawing, and this drawing is done by Naveen. And there was a conversation between Naveen, Pratigya and Bhaskar. Naveen said, that the bridge looks like this from where I am standing. Where he stands, see the figure again here. This is the figure. He is standing this side, that is the front of the bridge. Then he identified this figure and he drew this diagram. Similarly, Pratigya, she stood where it is the side of the bridge, and she observed the bridge and she has drawn this diagram or this cube. And what she said that it is, the bridge looks like this to me. My drawing shows how high our bridge and how wide it is. So this is the pillar. It will give you what height of the bridge, and this will give you what it is, a width of the bridge, how wide it is. And then what he said, the other person, Bhaskar, he said from Naveen's diagram, from this diagram, from this drawing, what Naveen said that. So by seeing this, yes, I can say that the length of the bridge and how high it is and how long it is, we can predict from this, what it is, from the drawing of the Naveen. Who said it is? Bhaskar. What he said? From your drawing, that is Naveen's drawing, I can make out how long and how high the bridge is, but I cannot make out how wide it is. So Bhaskar, he said that from your drawing, I can say how long is the bridge and how high it is there, but I cannot say how wide it is. The width of the bridge I cannot say from this drawing. So for that, what Pratigya she said that this is the drawing of Pratigya, and she said what it is, she can identify the height of the bridge and also width of the bridge. Then what is the top surface of the bridge? Top surface of this will give you the top surface of the bridge. If you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look? Choose the right drawing below. See here again the figure. If you look at the bridge from the top, that is by using a helicopter or something, if you observe that bridge, then from the top of the bridge, what drawing will get? Choose the drawing below you are given here. See, that is A and B. So look at the photo and try to make a deep drawing of this bridge. So we can draw a deep drawing of this bridge. So I made by using the matchsticks that bridge I have made. I will show you the bridge which I made to you. A simple bridge I made you. Please carefully look at the bridge. Look at the bridge. And then we will see here. It is how high the bridge is and how long it is. We will see here. Wait. Small. See, I made a small bridge by using the matchsticks. Now you see the top. This is the 4 pillars are there. What are the if we now the camera is there front. What figure you can see? It is exactly the drawing of what it is Naveen. Then Pratigna, where she is there exactly at my place. She has drawn. So what we get? Only the pillar will get the drawing of the what it is Pratigna when she stand. It is adjacent to the bridge. Adjacent to the bridge. Now from the top, what it is there? See, we are having the top of the bridge. It is what is there here? The top of the bridge. It is. You see here. We have rectangular surfaces are there. Rectangular surfaces. Now this is the bridge which I made by using the matchsticks. By using matchsticks, see here a small bit was broken. Now you see here from this diagram what we can say. This will give you the front surface. That is, this will give you front view, and this will give you side view, and the top will give you it is a top view. That is the 3 views of the 3-dimensional figure. Top view, front view and side view. This will give you what? Front view. So this view will give you what it is? Front view. And this will give you what it is? Side view. And what is the top view? Top view we have the rectangular shape boxes. That is match boxes are there. That is this will give you what? The top view of the bridge. Top view of the bridge. A rough diagram I have drawn. So this will give you what it is? A top view. Top view. You see here top view of the bridge like this. If you see here, this will give you the top view of the bridge where we will find the rectangular surfaces. Is it clear, children? So that is the top view, front view, and it is a side view of the bridge. So you draw the diagrams of that bridge in your classwork, and you please identify the top view, and that is front view and the side view. So one more box. You see here, this is a box which is a cuboidal shape. We have the rectangular surfaces are there, and total 6 faces are there. If you see this from the front, this is called front view, and this is the side view, and this is what it is top view. Top view we have a rectangle is there. Front view also we have a rectangle, and the side view we have what it is? A square is there. Side view it is a square. So front view, side view, and the what it is the top view of the 3-dimensional figures we have studied now. So now we will continue for the same matchbox play. One more activity is there. That activity will continue now. Now one practice side. Make drawings to show how this bridge will be. How this bridge will be from the top, from the front, and from the side. That is, the bridge is given here. It is, see this. This is the bridge. This bridge So we should draw the diagrams, drawings of front view, top view and the side view. So front view, top view and the side view you have to draw the diagrams. I made that model also. I'll show you this model. Now you can see this model of that bridge model, right? You see, this is the model of that bridge. You see here, this is the model of that bridge. So now this is there exactly opposite to the camera. We'll call this as the what it is. What I mean to say, it is front view. So now front view, what we have, this portion, this colored paper, and this is their same colors are there. So what is the front view of that bridge? It is front view of the bridge and top view of the bridge. Now this is the top view of the bridge. We have the rectangles. Top view, it is what it is. We will have the rectangles. How many are there? 4. That 4 rectangles, a little bigger, you have to draw, where we will get the top surface, top view of the bridge. This is top view of the bridge. You see here, this is the top view of the bridge. Then front view. Front we have this portion is there and 3 pillars, and between 2 again bridges are there. So 2 we have. Now what it is we have, see this like this we have for 4 matchboxes. It is also rectangle but a smaller line we have to draw. Then what it is at this here we have the 3 bridges. 2 pillars are there. Draw these 2 pillars. Draw these 2 pillars. All will be the same of size. Now here we have again what it is 2 matchboxes are there, and down also we have 2 matchboxes are there. So join these 2 and then we'll get. So now this is what the front view of that figure. Front view of the figure I have drawn roughly. You draw it neatly by making this model. You see here, this will give you what? The front view. This will give you what? The front view. Then what you will get? The side view. Side view means that is this is side view. It is what will get this side view? This is we have this portion and again this big one it is there. So the side view of this portion, it is we have a small rectangle is there, that is the brown color paper where you will find this one. So this is this portion, and then down what we have it is bigger rectangles are there. So big rectangles we have. So 2 rectangles are there. Draw those 2 rectangles. So now this will give you what? Side view of this bridge, and this is the top view of the bridge, and this is the front view of the bridge. So like this we can draw those front view, side view and the top view of the bridge, which is drawn in the textbook. That you have to finish up in the classwork. Now second picture. Make a matchbox model which looks like this. Top view is like that, front view is on from the side view. So collect some of the matchboxes and try to do this top view and a model with the top view, front view and the side view. You see here top view we have what? 5 matches are there. 5 match 6 like this. 5 at 3 will be there at one place and see this is the top view of the match of that model. Top view of that model will be like this. I'll show you. So this is the top view. Now this one you see here, which I place it here on the border. You see this. This will give you what? The top view of the brick or the bridge of the model. This is a top view, and what it is here, this is a front view. Will have the front view as like this. We have the front view. It is this is there like this. Front view is there, and like this you place 6 matchboxes like this. 6 matchboxes if you place, you will get the 2 rows, and again if you place 2 more of this, we will get what? The front view of that bridge like this. Now you see here Now you see this. Look at this model and even textbook. You see here. So this will give you what it is. This will give you what? The front view of the model. Front view of the model. Then side view of this model will be what it is. Side view of that model will be like this. This is the side view of the model. This is the side view of the model. So how to draw this model? Please try at your home by collecting some of the some of the matchboxes and complete these drawings in the classwork. Is it clear, children? I have shown you these models using the matchboxes, and we'll continue. We have one more question is there. Now we'll see the third question. How many cubes are needed to make this interesting model? One model is given which is there in the green color, and this model is made up of cubes. How many cubes are needed? How many cubes are required to make this model? You see here we have 5 layers are there from bottom to top. See the first layer we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes are there. The topmost layer, how many are there? 9 cubes are there in the topmost layer. Like this, how many layers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 layers. Each layer is having 9 cubes. 5 layers are there and each layer is having 5 cubes. That is 9 into 5. That is 9 5s are 45. Then you see the second layer. This is the second layer. We have 4 rows are there, and each row how many are there? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes are there in each row. And how many rows are there, or how many layers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers are there. You see here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers. 7 into 4. 4 layers are there. Each layer we have 7 cubes are there. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. Then we have the next third layer. It is there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes are there. Like this 5 cubes, how many layers are there? 3 layers are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 layers. Each layer we have 5 cubes and 3 layers are there. 5 into 3 it is 15. Next you see here we have 3 cubes are there. Like this 2 rows or 2 layers are there. 1, 2, 3. 2 layers. Each layer is having 3 cubes. That is 3 into 2 it is 6. Then finally we have only 1 cube is there. Single alone 1 cube is there in that one layer. So total how many we will get this? By adding these numbers we get the total number of cubes required to make that model. 5 plus 5 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 6 it is 24. 24 plus 1 it is 25. 25. 5 is right and here it is 2. So 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. So how many cubes we require? It is 95 cubes we require. See, it is very simple to understand. See, we have 5 layers are there. In that 5 layers, top layer we have, how many are there? It is 9 cubes are there. Count it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 are there. Like this, how many layers are there? 5 layers. So each layer is having 9 cubes and 5 layers are there. 9 into 5 9 5s are 45. Next we have 7 cubes are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And like this, how many layers are there? 4 layers are there. 7 into 4 it is 28. Then we have 5 cubes are there in the each layer. Like that we have 3 layers are there. 5 into 3 it is 15. Then we have 3 cubes are there in each layer and 2 layers are there. 3 into 2 is 6. Last we have only 1 cube is there. By adding all this we get 95 cubes. So how many cubes we require? 95 cubes required to make that model. To make that model, what we require? How many we require? 95 cubes. Now you see the second question in that. Here are some drawings of the model. Some drawings are given A, B, C and D. Mark the correct top view drawing. Mark the correct top view drawing with T and the correct side view drawing with S. Side view drawing we have to write with S and the top view we have to write with letter T. See here the top view, you see here we have this first layer is there. When you see from the top surface of this, we'll get what it is. C will get what it is. C. So under C what you have to write? T, write T. Then you see side surface. See if you stand at here, we get this side surface. So B is there, which will get this side surface. Or if you stand back side or this side, back side of that cube, this model, will get this side. So A and B will looks like what it is. Side views. A and B will looks like side views. Side view, and C is the top view. Will get even this D also will get it as this. We won't get any view. This D we won't get any view. So now what we can say from this, it is how many cubes are required to draw this model? It is 95 cubes are required to draw this model. I think you understand today's concept and this boxes and sketches. Now today what we have studied, the whole concept, though we have studied an activity, that activity is related to identifying the front view, top view, side view, top view and front view of the three-dimensional figures. If you take a cube, the cube front view is a square, side view is also a square, and that is a top view is also a square. If you take a box, that box, this is the front view, we have a rectangle, and top view we have a rectangle, side view is there here. Sometimes we get this is also a rectangle, or sometimes we get a square. I hope you understand today's concept, that is the views of the three-dimensional figures, that is square, that is a cube and a box. We have studied by playing with the matchbox, by constructing one bridge and identifying the top view of the bridge, and that is a side view of the bridge and the front view of the bridge. How many cubes we require to draw that model, which is given in the page number 133. Is it clear, children? Now what is your homework is, so you complete the drawings, complete homework. So homework it is, complete the drawings, complete the drawings from in page number 132 and 133 in the classwork. So in the classwork you should complete these drawings in the notebook from page number 132 and 133. Is it clear, children, today's concept? And next we will meet for the next chapter. We will discuss in the next classes. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Bye.